Hey guys, how's it going? Will here. Welcome back to the channel. So as you can clearly see in the title, today we will be talking about one of the latest credit card to hit the Malaysian market, which is the Maybank Shopee Visa Platinum credit card. So in this video, I'll be talking about the features of this card as well as the requirements. And to round it all up, I will also give you my thoughts and my opinion on this credit card and whether or not you should go for it. So without further ado, let's start. So before I begin, I would just like to give you a disclaimer that I am by no means sponsored by Maybank or being paid by Maybank to promote this card. This is just purely information coming from my side, and I also do not own this credit card. So I am just giving my thoughts on this credit card based on the info that is made available by Maybank to the public. So what is this card all about? So this is actually a collaboration card between Maybank and Shopee. So whatever spending that you spend on the credit card actually contributes to Shopee coins, which is actually Shopee's version of a loyalty reward system, if you can say that. So this card is also specially made for online shopping. So if you are those kind of people who shops a lot online, buy a lot online, maybe 2 to 3 times a week, yeah, this is probably one of the card that you want to look out for. This is a cashback type credit card because even though you do not receive cashback into your bank account, you are actually receiving the cashback in the form of Shopee coins, which will also save you some money when you buy online from Shopee. And like I mentioned earlier, all your spending will generate coins in your Shopee account, and you can use it to further discount your other purchases in Shopee as well. This card also allows you to earn points if you shop on other platforms. So not only limited to Shopee, but you can also shop at let's say Lazada or Taobao or AliExpress. I believe Shopee also rewards you some points for that as well. As for the point earn categories, there are actually 3 categories in how you can earn points. First one would be the 5 times point. 5 times Shopee coins will be rewarded if you spend or purchase anything from Shopee on special days. So what are special days? On the 28th of every month, usually that's what Shopee call it as a payday time or something like that. I'm not too sure. I don't really shop online a lot. There's also 11/11, 9/9, 12/12, Chinese New Year, Hari Raya, festive seasons. All these are times where you can get 5 times Shopee coins for your purchase. The next level, which is 4 times, this one is exclusively for entertainment and dining. So entertainment meaning when you go out for a movie, or let's say you want to play bowling, these are considered as entertainment. So you are getting 4 times Shopee coins for every ringgit you spend. Also, contactless payment, which is actually waived. So if you use contactless payment on any purchases, you will also get 4 times Shopee coins in your Shopee account. And the last one, which is 1 time, this is where you only earn 1 times of your spending in the event of spending it on other platforms such as Lazada or whatever I have just mentioned earlier, and on other transactions whether online or offline. So if you use your PIN to pay for transaction, you will get only 1 time. So if you have this card, try not to use your PIN and rather go for the wave function instead. So as of now, there is a sign up bonus given by Maybank if you apply for this credit card. There is a 5,000 Shopee coins bonus, which is equivalent to 50 ringgit if you apply and spend 300 ringgit within 2 months after you have gotten the card. So if you frequently shop online and you constantly buy things from Shopee, I believe 300 ringgit in 2 months is very easy to achieve. So if you are really interested in getting this card for yourself, please do so as quick as possible, because this sign up bonus might not last for a very long time. Now we go to the requirements of this card. So this requirement is quite modest, I would say, actually on the low side. It only requires you to have a salary of 36,000 ringgit per year, which also means 3,000 ringgit per month. And this credit card is also free for life. So these are definitely one feature that I really like a lot about credit cards, which is free for life. You don't have to think about annual fees and whatsoever. So once you get the card, it's completely free for life. However, the downside of this card is it is only limited to 5,000 Shopee coins per statement cycle. So if your statement cycle is once a month, so it's technically 5,000 Shopee points per month lah. What this means is, if you have spent and gotten your 5,000 Shopee coins reward, the remaining balance or the excess will be converted into Treats Point, which is Maybank's version of their loyalty system. In conclusion, with that info, now I'll just summarize what I think about this credit card. Firstly, I think this is a very attractive credit card. It has low requirements and is free for life. These are two check marks from me, which I highly approve. From the earn system basis, which is the 5 times, 4 times, and the 1 times I explained earlier, yeah, probably you will not get the 5 times points very often, because you can only get it probably like once or twice a month. So if you want to get the 5 times reward points, you have to actively log in and make your purchases on the special days like I've just mentioned. But alternatively, you can also get the 4 times Shopee coins reward if you spend on dining and entertainment, and also contactless transaction. I think this 4 times is very easy to achieve. If let's say you go out, eat somewhere, or buy your coffee or watch a movie, you can spend with this credit card, and you can also get the 4 times Shopee coin rewards. In a nutshell, yep, I believe this is a good card if you're thinking about applying for this credit card, and it is also a very good starter card for those of you who do not own a credit card just yet. And if you're thinking about applying this credit card, I think, yeah, you can basically go for it. It has very good rewards system, and if you shop online a lot, this is definitely the card for you. Personally, for myself, I rarely go shopping online, so I will not be tempted to apply this credit card. So yes, that is basically my summary of this card, as well as my opinion and my thoughts. If you like this video, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe, as well as ring the notification bell so you will be updated with more new contents as I publish them. Share this video with your friends and family. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.